NRIs, the tax season is officially on. But the real question is, are you compliant or at risk? Hi, I am CA Sagar Soman, and in this video, I'll walk you through what every global Indian must know before filing their Indian tax return this year. So let's get started. Like every other important task, the mantra remains: start early, finish peacefully. Filing your ITR isn't something to be done while sipping your coffee on 31st July. Begin now so you can gather all income documents, track global transactions, and fix any surprises before they become problems. As they say, better to sweat in preparation than bleed in deadline week. But hey, although you start early, you shouldn't file early. Hold your horses. Filing too early might backfire. TDS data for Jan to March only gets reported by 31st May, and your Form 16 or 16A lands by 15th June. File before that and you are basically shooting darts in the dark. Wait, reconcile, then file smart. Here's a burning question: should NRIs file ITR at all? I know what you're thinking. I live abroad, pay TDS, then why file in India? Well, even with zero Indian income, filing your ITR can open doors, refunds, loss carry-forwards, and smoother remittances. And let's be honest, it shows you are clean and compliant on both sides of the globe. What happens if you don't file? Let's not sugarcoat this. Non-filing is equal to a red flag. It's not just about missing a deadline. The income tax department may see it as a willful evasion. Penalties, scrutiny, and yes, even prosecution. And I doubt "I forgot" sounds convincing in a tax notice reply. So who doesn't need to file ITR in India? Good news first. If you are an NRI earning only foreign income like salary abroad or rental from Dubai and have no Indian taxable income, you are generally exempt. But remember, generally doesn't mean always. So keep watching. Why file even when it is exempt? Even if you are exempt, voluntary filing can be a game changer. Want your TDS refund? File. Want to carry forward capital losses? File. Applying for a visa, scholarship, or home loan, ITR is your financial passport. Think of it as an insurance. You hope you won't need it, but when you do, it's gold. Have you missed filing for the last few years? You're not alone. Thanks to ITR-U, you can now file returns up to 4 years late. Yes, 4 years. Ideal if you left India in a rush or forgot to report capital gains. Second chances are rare in life and rarer in tax. Use it wisely. Here's the part most miss: FEMA. Still operating that resident savings account after moving abroad? That's a breach. Using a resident Demat account for investments? Big no-no. ITR alone won't protect you if your banking and investments are violating FEMA. I handle both, so you don't have to sleep with one eye on your mailbox. Or HNII. Looking for absolute clarity this tax season? Let's talk. Whether it's ITR, FEMA, repatriation, or just peace of mind, I'm here to help you stay clean, compliant, and confident. Schedule your consultation call today and let's get your finances sorted like a pro.